5 tips to managing back pain on holiday. So for some people, going on holiday means less pain because you're not stuck in your office in a chair all day, or you're not sitting throughout the day. But for some it means increased pain because you're less mobile, you're changing the bed, different footwear and so forth. So I'm going to run through 5 tips to help manage your back pain while you're abroad. So number 1, first thing, very common sense, take a pillow for the plane. So usually one that's going to support your neck because you don't want to be falling asleep in a poor position, either with your neck in extension or letting your head flop about, because you're going to wake up with stiffness and pain, and it's no way to start your holiday, especially if you're traveling long haul. So that's number 1. Number 2, a lot of people suffer at home with their back pain to the way they sleep and what they're sleeping on, so the mattress and the bed and so forth. So likelihood is going to be much worse when you change to a different bed, especially if you're going on holiday, because the quality is going to be that much poorer. So a couple of things you can do. If you find the bed is too soft, maybe drag the mattress onto the floor to firm it up a little bit. But alternatively, if you find it too hard, try and get another duvet so you can put that on top, so you're sleeping on top of the duvet, just to give you a bit of a layer of cushioning. So that will help with your lower back pain. And again, remember the tips I said before about sleeping posture. We should be doing those at home as well as on holiday. Now in regards to your neck, you tend to find the pillows on holiday, you might have one, you might have a couple, but they're usually poor quality. There's not much substance to them, they're very thin, not much support. So I'd always request a few extra pillows to help balance it out and just provide a little bit more support. So that's number 2, address your sleeping position and what you're sleeping on, and obviously ask for extra pillows. Number 3 is spending all day on the sun lounges or sunbeds, because they're very unforgiving and you're going to overload certain parts of your body. So again, like sleeping posture, you want to adapt your positions throughout the day so you're not overloading certain parts of your body. That's going to cause discomfort and pain. So first off, if you're lying on your back, roll up a towel, place it under your knees so you're keeping a slight bend in the knees. This will take a lot of pressure off your lower back. If you're on your front, then I recommend, again, folding a towel, not so much rolling it, but folding a towel and placing it underneath your pelvis, on the front of your pelvis, to try and flatten out your back. So you're not going into a full extension and jamming up your lower back. Again, with neck position lying on your front, this is going to be a little bit difficult because you're going to be lying on one side and the other side, so you're going to go push your neck into a bit of extension. The best way you can manage this, rather than having your head hanging over the end of the sun lounger, is to just change your position regularly so you're not accumulating too much stress on one side compared to the other. Another thing is, don't spend all day on the sunbeds or sun lounges. You need to have a routine just like you do at home, so you're moving regularly and changing your position. Otherwise, you are going to accumulate that strain and tension on certain parts of your body, and it's going to lead to a bit of pain and discomfort. So number 4, leading on from the last point, is that you want to make sure that you're moving regularly throughout the day. So yes, you're on holiday, yes, you want to relax, but let's have a little bit of a schedule. Let's go, break up your day, go for a walk in the morning, walk in the evening. Make sure you're getting up off the sun lounges regularly throughout the day, go for a swim, get your body moving. Don't spend too long just sitting down reading or lying in the sun. Make sure you break it up throughout the day, because what's going to happen if you don't, you're going to end up becoming quite stiff, having discomfort and possibly increasing in your pain levels. So yes, enjoy, lie down, relax, but make sure that you're breaking up with plenty of activity or movement to counterbalance the amount of stationary sedentary posture.